Hi everyone, it's Jasmine, and in honor of Pancreatic Cancer Day being November 20th, today we will be talking about pancreatic cancer, including learning about what the disease is and how we can support those living with pancreatic cancer. So I hope you learned something today, and let's get started. Pancreatic cancer affects the pancreas, which is an organ that's essential for digestion and blood sugar regulation. It's one of the most aggressive cancers with a very low survival rate. As such, awareness and early detection are critical to improving outcomes. Again, pancreatic cancer is very serious, but it's not very comprehensively known. In Canada, around 5,300 people will be diagnosed this year with pancreatic cancer. Early detection is tough, which makes awareness really important. So let's chat awareness. Signs and symptoms of pancreatic cancer can often be silent in early stages, but can include abdominal pain or back pain, unexplained weight loss, jaundice, so the yellowing of skin or eyes, a loss of appetite, or digestive problems. Diagnosis is achieved through methods such as imaging tests like CTs, MRIs, ultrasounds, endoscopic ultrasounds, blood tests, and biopsies as well. However, early diagnosis can be challenging because, again, symptoms are often quite silent at the beginning of the disease. Some treatment options do exist for pancreatic cancer, including surgery, more specifically the Whipple procedure, which is the only option for early stage disease. Then treatment options can include chemotherapy and radiation therapy, and depending on the disease progression, potentially targeted therapy and immunotherapy. And if those fail, it would be then palliative care that is considered for symptom management for the individual living with pancreatic cancer. Because pancreatic cancer can be extremely serious, it's really important that we reduce our risk of developing the disease. We can do so by just practicing healthy habits, maintaining a healthy weight and a balanced diet, avoiding tobacco and limit alcohol consumption, exercise regularly, and if you have diabetes, it's very important to manage it and other medical conditions as well, so your body can fight against any other chronic diseases such as pancreatic cancer. Awareness of pancreatic cancer is crucial. Early detection significantly improves survival chances. Public education can also help people recognize symptoms sooner, and Pancreatic Cancer Day today promotes research funding and community support and gets us all in the know about the signs and symptoms, diagnosis, and treatment methods for the disease. An excellent Canadian resource is pancreaticcancercanada.ca, which includes numerous different stories about pancreatic cancer survivors, how to seek support from others living with the condition, and so on. Overall, pancreatic cancer is an aggressive disease, but raising awareness, focusing on early detection, and supporting ongoing research can really make a difference. By educating ourselves and others, advocating for better screening, and supporting patients and families that are affected by the disease, we can improve outcomes and save lives. Every action counts, and together we have the power to make a meaningful impact. Thank you for watching.